Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a collage on Instagram stories on Android. If you're using an Android phone or you want to make a collage on your Instagram stories, let's see how can you do this. Just open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile or the plus icon, just tap on it. From here you must have to select multiple pictures at a time. As I have, just select that and then tap on the next option. From here you can select and collage, but if you want to create it in your story, so you can easily create that, just tap on plus story icon. From here just select multiple photos just like that, just tap on this next icon, and here you must have to select layout. From here just tap on it and here just tap on edit layout. If you want, here you will get different layouts. I'm selecting this and just tap on done, and here just tap on your story to share it on your story. So that's how you can easily make a collage on Instagram stories on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.